In this video, I'm going to show you the best buy sell indicator that is based on the engulfing patterns, and you can have a very good results by just using this indicator. And this indicator is very accurate if you are going to use it with in a sensible way. And today in this video, I will help you to how you can rectify the wrong signals, how you can filter out the bad signals from this indicator, and you can trade the good ones from this indicator. The process is very simple, so just watch this full video. Before I jump into this video, guys, visit my website fxmentorus.com. There is a lot of information to read about the trading strategies on my website. And the second thing, if you are looking for the best forex and crypto broker, just click this banner, just click on get started, and I'm using this broker from 2015, and you can also open an account with it. And the second thing, these are my private indicators that are listed on the website, especially the big players indicator and the bank selling order and the bank buying order indicator. These are my top indicators. So guys, you can book these indicators by just using the contact us option from the website. You can contact on Telegram, email. The links are provided in the description of this video below. Okay, guys, so first of all, let's talk about these indicators, that which indicators are this. So first of all, we are going to the indicator section. Here you need to write next dash GEN. Okay, so when you write next dash GEN, then this indicator will come, that is called next gen engulfing retracement, and the name of the author is Rick Simpan. Okay, and you can see this indicator is also gaining importance in among the traders. Okay, so once you click this indicator, then basically it tells you about the bullish and the bearish engulfing retracements. Okay, so this is not just a normal engulfing, this is also retracement from these levels as well. Okay, so how to use this indicator? That is very simple. So for example, let me find a chart. So for example, this is the gold chart. Okay, so as you know that this is the lower low and the market make a high point here. So what you can do, always use the trend line with this indicator, mark the 2 points. Now you can see on the trend line, now the trend line is very confirmed that the market is into the uptrend. Once the market is into the uptrend, just leave the bearish retracements and just pick those that are the bullish one, and you can see the price is high. Now this strategy is working on everything. I can show you now. Just we can see that this is the bearish retracement. So if we now, you can see the bullish retracement has not worked, because by combining the 2 points, this is the bearish trend right now on Great Britain pound JPY. So when we get a red signal, we can definitely go for that one. Okay, so for example, let's see more trades where we are able to see any other data. Okay, now you can see this was our bullish trend. Okay, but right now the market has changed the trend because there is a breakout of the trend line. Now you can go for a selling activity, right? So until unless the market keeps its trend, you can go for that one. Okay, and the second thing, let me show you my indicator about the bank order indicator that is listed on my website at the number 2, the bank selling one. Now just look at this. We have the bullish retracement exactly from the bank buying order, and you can see the price is up. Okay, I can show you many examples, many examples, that why the bank order indicator is very powerful. You can see the bearish retracement, the retracements that are coming from the bank selling order, you can see they are working. And if we go back and let's see the previous data, you can see that was the bank buying order, the bullish retracements, and then you can see the price is up. If we go to Euro USD, like the price is rejected from the bank selling order, so no need to carry the bullish retracement. Yes, now just look at this one. There is a bullish retracement. If I hide the bank order indicator, you can see there is a bullish retracement from exactly from the bank buying order. Now we can definitely pick that one. This is how we use our indicators and we compare our indicators. Now you can see the bearish retracement we will not pick, because we are at the bank buying order, and we pick the bullish one, and you can see how well the price moved up. So this is why this indicator is very important. The bank buying order and the big players indicator that are listed on our website, they are very important for the trader. You can see the bank selling order and you got a bearish retracement, and now you can see exactly from the bank buying you are getting a bullish retracement. So this becomes your second confirmation. Okay, now you can see bearish retracement, price is down. Let's have a look more. You can see exactly from the bank selling order you got a bearish engulfing, and you can see the price is down. That is why my personal indicators that I develop, they are very important. Just look at this one. AUD CAD 15-minute bearish retracement exactly from the bank selling order, you can take a chance. And that's why they are important. So guys, this is the if you are just going to use this indicator, then go with the trend lines. If you want to compare it with the bank order indicator, then you can request for the lifetime version from our Telegram channel, our email. The links are given in the description of this video.